Okay, so I'm gonna show in this video how to repair a BMW E39 Key, and as you can see, the buttons are all used up and are not in a very good state. Yeah, so the first thing you have to do is open up this cover in the back. So now once you've removed it, you see like two screws, one on the left and one on the right side, and it's so dusty. I think the person who had it before me never really took care of this key. Yeah, you gotta have to open up this screw and that screw with this screwdriver. Well, it's kind of hard recording, doing it at the same time. So once you opened up, you get this. So this is how it looks on the inside. See, there's a battery. Focus. So in order to repair the buttons, you have to get this out. The way you do this, take a small flat screwdriver, go in between here at the edges and just lift it up. So I've just done this. As soon as you open this one, you see this like plastic thingy on there. Could keep that on there, or you could take it off. On the one which I bought, that's a cheap repair kit from eBay. There's one on the back of it, but you could just leave that one there because that one looks fine to me. And they've also sent in a new battery. So if anyone wants to buy the battery for this kind of key, it's a CR lithium cell 3V battery. Yeah, fits in those kind of keys. Yeah, so now as we've taken it off, see there's a little chip on there. That that chip or module, or what you want to call it, is the thing that connects the key to your car when you want to use the buttons to open it or close the car. So that key, you have to get that module or whatever you call it out. And as you can see, sorry for the bad camera, the keypad or the button pad is almost disintegrated here. It's like yeah, on that side too. Oh, okay, the module just fell out. Yeah, so you have to keep that aside for a minute. And the way you get out that keypad is it's pretty simple. Just press down on that side, and as you can see, you're best off doing it with both hands, but one hand it's kind of hard. Yeah, so now it's coming loose and you just gotta pull off the whole thing. I'll just do that real quick. So here's how it's supposed to look afterwards. Yeah, so you have like these little plastic edges and that's the inside of it. Pretty clean. Now the next step is to put this one like this inside, but you gotta have to remember, because you have that little module, you have to cut off this little rubber thing on the edge, because we don't need it, because this pad already has the light on the side. So yeah, that has to come off, just cut off. And on that side you have to cut off a bit of the excessive edge right there, because otherwise the module won't fit inside the key and you're not going to be able to close up the key again. So this is what I meant. You have to cut off like a little piece of it and the edge over there. Now we can put it back inside. When you put it inside, you have to like just do this, press down on it, and on the other side really press through. So you have to like could use a little plastic thingy to squish it through and make sure the buttons sit afterwards on top of those little plastic teeth which you can see around the corners here. Yeah, so just push it right through there, and let me show you how it looks afterwards. So this is how it looks afterwards. Yeah, it's not a perfect fit, but you know, it was cheap. It's like €2.99. I think that's about $2, $3. Yeah, so it looks way better than before. Before if you didn't have any, you know, keypads at all. So yeah, that's how it looks on the inside. And now you have to put this little module, yeah, go on, back inside, and there's only one way to put it because you have this edge here. You have to get it in, just like that. If you can see it, just like that. Yeah. Now the whole mechanical side of the key has to get back inside, so the battery has to be on that end. So just press down on it. So should be fine. Yeah, so it sits. Now we can put on back the cover. Yeah, just press down on it. So after it's back on, just put on back the screws, screw them down. Yeah. So and this is the end result. That's how you repair an old BMW E39 keypad. If you now press the buttons, you can see the lights. The light goes on, everything's working. Yeah, it's looking good. Way better than before. If you liked the video, I would appreciate if you leave a like, and wish everyone a nice long weekend.